How do I check whether this user is anonymous or actually a user on my system? In Django, how do I know if it's a real user or not? I tried. If the underscore user column, but anonymous user, is there even if no one logs in. So it always returns true, and this doesn't work.
You can check if request.user.is_anonymous returns true.
An alternative too is by testing to see what the ID of the user object is. See this URL.
You should check the value of request.user.is_authenticated. It will return true for a user instance and false for an anonymous user instance. One answer suggests using is_anonymous, but the django.contribution auth documentation says you should prefer using is_authenticated to is_anonymous.
I had a similar issue, except this was on a page that the login_redirect_URL was sent to. I had to put in the template.
I know I'm doing a bit of grave digging here, but a Google search brought me to this page. If your view def requires that the user is logged in, you can implement the @login_required decorator.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.